Avoid war and live in peace. What is conflict? Conflict is misunderstanding in both things. The question is, how can we resolve conflict in the midst of war or peace? For me, I believe that peace is the best way to resolve a conflict. Why not war? War can only result devastating destructions. Just look at the country Syria. They chose war as a solution to resolve a conflict. That's why until now they are still on war. Why did I choose peace? I choose peace because it helps us build and fortify relationships. It costs no lives and devastating destruction, and a better working environment. Peace have been shown to help us and fortify relationships because people will be drawn to you because they enjoy the peace that surrounds you. No tension or disputes over things. It will be easier to resolve a conflict if you're talking peacefully to each other. You can also say to each other your misunderstandings. Peace is a better way to resolve a conflict because it costs no lives and devastating destruction. It is better because no blood will be spilled and no innocent people will die due to the war of two parties, just like in Syria. Many innocent people die because of the war of the rebels and the government. Syria was started on March 15, 2011 until now. And on April 23, 2016, the United Nations and Arab League envoyed to Syria to put out an estimate of 400,000 people that had died in the war. This can also give us a better working environment. Peaceful person can help the troubled person and change the working environment. It can cause a better working environment because when all of us are in peace, no war, no people thinking of revenge, we can have a better working environment. I believe that all of us want to have a better working environment. We can go everywhere we want without thinking of someone that can hurt us or do bad things to us. The only thing to prevent war and resolve a conflict is living in peace and resolving any conflict peacefully. Peace is the best way to resolve a conflict. Peace is the easiest and safest thing to resolve a conflict. War should be avoided in our world and live peacefully.